Hi, welcome you all to the next session of marketing management. In this session, we will be dealing with the first chapter, that is basic element of marketing management. My dear students, when we talk about marketing management, first of all, now you need to broaden your aspect concepts of marketing. अभी जैसे आप एक स्पेशलाइज स्टूडेंट हो तो आपको आपके मार्केटिंग की कंसेप्ट थोड़ी ब्रॉड करनी होगी। क्यों? क्योंकि नाउ यू आर नॉट अ जनरल स्टूडेंट्स like other students as what you have studied in your FIBCom. But now, as when we talk about marketing, you need to have an advanced thinking towards it, a modern thinking towards it, a new thought towards it, a broad aspect towards it. That is different thing. But when we talk about marketing management, ठीक है, the basic element of marketing management what we have to study in this chapter. Marketing management is a subject, but in this chapter the first concept what you have to study, or the first unit what you have to study, or the first chapter what you have to study is the basic concept of marketing management. My dear students, when we say about marketing management, there are two components what comprises of marketing management. One is marketing and the other one is management. To understand the concept of marketing management, we need to understand first what is marketing, second what is management, and then combine the meaning of both to get one definition or one meaning of marketing management. When we say, firstly, we'll see towards marketing. When we say what is marketing, my dear students, according to me, marketing is something which increases your sales. Marketing is something which makes customer realize their wants. Marketing is something which make customer identify their wants. Marketing is something which helps the entrepreneur to produce new things. This is all marketing. First one, marketing is all about identifying the wants of the customer. Marketing is nothing but identifying the wants of the customer. This is the first step in marketing. जब हम बोलते हैं मार्केटिंग क्या है, तो मार्केटिंग का एक कंपोनेंट है कि आप कस्टमर के वांट्स को, कस्टमर के नीड्स को पहचानो। और जिस वक्त आप कस्टमर के वांट्स को, नीड्स को पहचानोगे, आइडेंटिफाइंग द वांट्स ऑफ द कस्टमर, creating the product as per the wants. जैसे ही आपने कस्टमर के प्रोडक्ट्स को पहचान लिया, कस्टमर के वांट्स को पहचान लिया, देन व्हेन यू आर मार्केटिंग कंपनी, देन यू स्टार्ट प्रोड्यूसिंग दैट प्रोडक्ट. एंड वंस यू स्टार्ट प्रोड्यूसिंग द प्रोडक्ट, यू सी satisfaction, you see satisfaction of the consumer. And then after sale service, what does this all means? My dear students, in short, marketing is nothing but identifying the want for the product, creating the product, or creating the demand for the product, creating the product, or creating the demand for the product, then making the customer satisfied, and then after sales service. If the customers are not satisfied, then you do on research for making the product, for making the customer satisfied. If the customers are not satisfied, then research is being conducted. This is all marketing. बेसिकली मार्केटिंग क्या है कि आप कंज्यूमर के वांट्स को पहचानते हो, वो पहचानने के बाद उस वांट्स को पहचानते हो, उस वांट्स को सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए प्रोडक्ट बनाते हो, फिर कंज्यूमर का सेटिस्फैक्शन लेवल चेक करते हो, कंज्यूमर का डिमांड चेक करते हो, एंड देन कंज्यूमर को आफ्टर सेल सर्विस दी जाती है, एंड देन कंज्यूमर का लेवल ऑफ सेटिस्फैक्शन और कितने लेवल तक वो सेटिस्फाइड है ये चेक किया जाता है। और अगर कंज्यूमर सेटिस्फाइड नहीं है तो उस प्रोडक्ट से फिर से रिसर्च किया जाता है। दिस इज मार्केटिंग. Marketing is basically identifying the wants for the product, creating the demand for the product, creating the product, making the customer satisfied, and giving after sales services, and once after sales services are given, creating the research for the product, demand for the product, analysis for the product, R&D on the product. This is what marketing is all about. Then when we talk about management, management is nothing but an art of getting the work done in a tactful way by the subordinates. What does that actually mean? Management is nothing but it is an art of getting the work done from others in a tactful way by the subordinate. मैनेजमेंट क्या है? मैनेजमेंट एक ऐसी कला है जो आपके प्रोडक्ट जो आपका काम करवा कर लेने के लिए आपको हेल्प करती है आपके सबॉर्डिनेट से, और वो भी एक टैक्टफुल मैनर में. मैनेजमेंट इज़ नथिंग बट एन आर्ट ऑफ गेटिंग द वर्क डन from others in a tactful manner by the subordinates, that is called as management. मैनेजमेंट वो ऐसी कला है, मैनेजमेंट एक ऐसा आर्ट है जो आपको हेल्प करती है आपके सबॉर्डिनेट से आपका काम करवा कर लेने में, और वो भी एक टैक्टफुल वे में. दिस वॉज marketing and this is management. But when we talk about in combined format, what is marketing management? When we add up the meaning of these two, we get the meaning of marketing management. My dear student, marketing management is nothing but creating the want for the product, creating the demand for the product, creating the product, making the customer satisfied, giving after sales services, and doing R&D. And for getting this work done, there is there is an art of getting this work done in a tactful way from the subordinates. एंड ये वर्क करने के लिए हमें कुछ प्लानिंग की ज़रूरत होती है, हमें कुछ मैनेजमेंट की ज़रूरत होती है, हमें कुछ चीज़ें ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की ज़रूरत होती है, कुछ डायरेक्शंस की ज़रूरत होती है, कुछ फाइनेंसिंग की ज़रूरत होती है, कंट्रोलिंग की ज़रूरत होती है. दैट इज़ ऑल इंक्लूडेड इन मैनेजमेंट. While executing this plan, creating the want for the product, identifying the want for the product, creating the demand for the product, then producing the product, then making customer satisfied, this all is a lengthy procedure. To make this plan, to implement this plan on a paper, to implement the paper plan on actual life in reality requires lot of work to be done behind this, beyond this, like planning, organizing, coordinating, directing, controlling, etc. And this all constitute to a management part. Now when we talk about the meaning of marketing management, marketing management is nothing but creating the demand for the product and making the customer satisfied in a tactful way in order to do all this. There has to be a proper execution. This is called management. This is called management. See, marketing management is nothing but an art of getting the plan, an art of getting the creativity, an art of getting the identification of want, an art of getting creating the demand for the product, identifying the product, satisfying the customer. When you manage all this by analyzing, by controlling, by directing, by motivating, that is under termed as marketing management. But when we talk about functions of management, marketing management, when we talk about functions of marketing management, the first function of marketing management is planning. The first function of marketing management is planning. My dear students, planning is nothing but deciding in advance what to do, how to do, who is to do it, when to do, and where to do. Planning is deciding in advance what to do, how to do, when to do, who is to do, and when, how, where to do. Planning is deciding in advance how to do, when to do, who is to do, where to do, and who is to do it. This is nothing but a blueprint of work to be done. That means planning is nothing but deciding in advance what to do, how to do, who is to do it, when to do it, where to do it. एंड ये सब क्या है, एक ब्लूप्रिंट है जिस पर आपका वर्क होता है. तो जब भी हम मार्केटिंग करते हैं और हमें मार्केटिंग करते वक्त प्लानिंग करना होता है कि हमारी जो मार्केटिंग है, हम कौन लॉन्ग टर्म मार्केटिंग करने वाले हैं या शॉर्ट टर्म मार्केटिंग करने वाले हैं, हम लोग कौन से कस्टमर को टारगेट करने वाले हैं, एजुकेशनल लेवल को टारगेट करने वाले हैं, इलिटरेट लेवल को टारगेट करने वाले हैं, किड्स को टारगेट करने वाले, यूथ्स को टारगेट करने वाले हैं, सीनियर सिटीजन्स को टारगेट करने वाले हैं, देन वी आर गोना टारगेट लेडीज़, वी आर गोना टारगेट फीमेल्स. ये सब हमें डिसाइड करना होता है, राइट. विच मीडिया वी आर गोना अडॉप्ट फॉर मार्केटिंग, how will be the mode of marketing, what will be the distribution channel of marketing. This all under called as planning. कि हम लोग हमारा मार्केटिंग जो करेंगे किस मेथड से करेंगे, किस वे से करेंगे, कौन से टाइप से करेंगे, किसको टारगेट करेंगे, कहाँ से टारगेट करेंगे, क्यों टारगेट करेंगे, क्या रीज़न है टारगेट करने का. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज अंडर planning. First function is planning. The second function is objective. Objective means setting the goals. Objective means setting the goals. Now what does under this as marketing management comes with? मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट में हमें मैनेजमेंट करते वक्त, मार्केटिंग को मैनेज करते वक्त हमें मार्केटिंग के गोल्स को अच्छे से पहचानना है कि हम ये मार्केटिंग किस लिए कर रहे हैं, हमें इससे बेनिफिट क्या होने वाला है, हम किसको टारगेट करने वाले हैं, हमारा गोल शॉर्ट टर्म है, हमारा गोल लॉन्ग टर्म है, ये हमें सब में पहले डिसाइड करना होता है। जब भी हम प्लानिंग करते हैं, प्लानिंग के बाद हमें हमारे गोल्स सेट करने होते हैं कि हमारा लॉन्ग टर्म गोल्स है, शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स है, हम कैसे बिजनेस का प्रॉफिट अचीव करने वाले हैं, हमारा मोटिव क्या है, हमारा टारगेट क्या है, हमारा मोल एस्पेक्ट क्या है, हमारे एथिक्स क्या है। वी वोंट गो आर बियॉन्ड आर एथिक्स while marketing. This all comes under objective. The next one, the next function is coordinating. Coordinating means getting the things together. Coordinating means getting the things together, helping each other. When we are planning for any product, जब हम मार्केटिंग करना चाहते हैं कोई प्रोडक्ट की, जब हम प्लानिंग करते हैं वो प्रोडक्ट के बारे में, तो हमें प्लानिंग करते वक्त लैंड, लेबर, मनी, मटेरियल, जो भी रिसोर्स हमारे पास है उनका कोऑर्डिनेशन करना बहुत ज़रूरी है और कोऑर्डिनेशन रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है। Then only we can identify the wants for the product, then only we can create the demand for the product, then only we can create the product, then only we can make the consumer satisfied. And our objective behind creating the marketing strategy or marketing goes on a successful way. Coordinating basically means helping each other and adjusting each other in spite of knowing the difficulties, in spite of knowing the barriers, but adjusting for one common goal, that is the profit for the company. That is called as coordination. Next function is directing. Directing is nothing but guiding the staff members, guiding the employees, how to do the work, how to do the marketing, how to promote the sales, how to talk with the customer, how to talk with the audience, how to talk with the prospect customers, how to talk with the exact customers and achieve the goals of sales and earn more and more on more profit for the business. Directing is basically guiding, assisting, showing the right path to the workers to achieve the goals of the company at a large. Cleared? Okay. Next we have is controlling. Controlling is nothing but आइडेंटिफाइंग द डिविएशंस, आइडेंटिफाइंग द डिफरेंस। हमारा जो गोल सेट किया है, हमने जो उससे प्लानिंग किया है, हमने जो रिसोर्सेज को कोऑर्डिनेट किया है, हमने जो हमारे स्टाफ मेंबर्स को गाइड किया है, डायरेक्ट किया है, क्या वो हमें हमारे एग्जैक्ट प्लानिंग के हिसाब से हमारे डिज़ायर्ड गोल्स अचीव करने में हेल्प हो रहे हैं या नहीं हो रहे हैं। सपोज़ हमारा टारगेट है 10 लाख सेल्स का, हमारा सिर्फ टारगेट अगर 8 लाख सेल्स हुआ है, द 2 लाख का जो डिफरेंस हुआ है, जो डिविएशन हुआ है, इस डिविएशन पर रिसर्च करना, इस डिविएशन पर R&D करना, एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम दिस डिविएशन शुड नॉट टेक प्लेस so as to control the differences. Planning management is very important. Management functions basically deals with planning management function. Marketing management function basically deals with setting the objectives of marketing, then planning how, when, where, who is to do it, when is to do it. Then third one is coordinating all the resources. Then we have controlling then we have directing the resources, directing the staff, guiding the staff to achieve the organizational goals. Then we have controlling. Controlling is nothing but identifying the differences, analyzing the differences, identifying the differences. Once the differences have been analyzed, working on that differences to achieve the organizational goals, and so that for the next time that differences won't take place in the organization. This is called as controlling. These all are the functions of marketing management. But when we talk about meaning of marketing management is nothing but arranging, analyzing, helping, creating the demand for the product, making the consumer aware for the product. And when you make the consumer aware of the product, then you produce the product, make the customer satisfied. In all this activity, when there is a proper management or when there is certain management, that is called as marketing management. Marketing management basically means helping, guiding in identifying, analyzing, creating the demand for the product and making the customer satisfied. This is called as marketing management. Clear to it? What are the functions of marketing management? Setting the objectives, then planning, then coordinating, then directing, and then controlling. My dear students, please go through this video so that once again your concept will be more cleared. Clear to it? See, the concept will be more cleared. Functions of marketing management, one of the most important answer asked by the university examination. Thank you all. We'll meet in the next session with the next problem with the next topic of your syllabus. Thank you all. Thank you.